Our bodies are amazing machines. They are capable of incredible feats of strength, coordination, and thought. But have you ever stopped to think about how it all works? How do our muscles know when to contract? How do we feel pain? How do we remember our favorite song? The answer lies in a complex and fascinating network of cells called the nervous system. This intricate system acts as our body's control center, coordinating every action, thought, and sensation. It is the electrical wiring that allows us to experience the world around us. The nervous system is responsible for receiving information from the environment, processing this information, and then sending out instructions to the rest of the body. It's a bit like a super-fast communication network that uses electrical impulses to send signals throughout the body. These signals travel at incredible speeds, allowing us to react quickly to changes in our surroundings. Without the nervous system, we wouldn't be able to move, think, feel, or even survive. At the heart of this remarkable system lies the central nervous system, consisting of the brain and the spinal cord. These two organs are like the mission control of your body. The brain, safely encased within the skull, is the most complex organ in the human body. It is responsible for our thoughts, emotions, memories, and senses, as well as controlling our movements and bodily functions. The spinal cord, a long, delicate structure that runs down the back, acts as the main communication pathway between the brain and the rest of the body. It receives signals from the brain and transmits them to the peripheral nervous system, which then carries them to the muscles and organs. The spinal cord also plays a crucial role in reflexes, which are rapid involuntary responses to stimuli that help protect the body from harm. Extending from the central nervous system like a network of highways and byways is the peripheral nervous system. This vast network of nerves carries signals to and from every corner of the body. It acts as the communication link between the central nervous system and the rest of the body, ensuring that messages are delivered quickly and efficiently. The peripheral nervous system is further divided into two main branches, the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. These two branches work together to control our voluntary and involuntary actions, allowing us to interact with the world around us and maintain the body's internal environment. The somatic nervous system is responsible for our voluntary movements, such as walking, talking, and writing. It consists of nerves that connect the central nervous system to the skeletal muscles, which are the muscles that we can consciously control. When you decide to move your arm, for example, your brain sends a signal down your spinal cord and through the somatic nervous system to the muscles in your arm, causing them to contract and produce the desired movement. This system also plays a crucial role in our senses. Sensory receptors in our skin, eyes, ears, nose, and tongue detect stimuli from the environment such as touch, light, sound, smell, and taste. These receptors convert the stimuli into electrical signals, which are then transmitted through the somatic nervous system to the brain, where they are interpreted as sensations. Section 5, the autonomic nervous system, involuntary actions. In contrast to the somatic nervous system, which controls voluntary actions, the autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary functions that are essential for life. These functions include breathing, heart rate, digestion, and body temperature. The autonomic nervous system operates automatically without conscious control, ensuring that these vital processes continue even when we are sleeping or not paying attention. The autonomic nervous system is further divided into two branches, the sympathetic nervous system and the parasympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for fight or flight responses during stressful or dangerous situations, while the parasympathetic nervous system promotes rest and digest functions when the body is relaxed and at ease. Section 6 and neurons, the building blocks of communication. The nervous system is made up of billions of specialized cells called neurons. These remarkable cells are the fundamental units of the nervous system, responsible for transmitting information throughout the body. Neurons are like tiny messengers, carrying electrical and chemical signals from one part of the body to another. Neurons have a unique structure that allows them to transmit signals efficiently. They have a cell body, which contains the nucleus and other organelles. dendrites, which are short branched extensions that receive signals from other neurons, and an axon, which is a long, slender projection that transmits signals to other neurons, muscles, or glands. As Section 7, the remarkable journey of a nerve impulse. The transmission of a nerve impulse is a remarkable process that involves both electrical and chemical signals. When a neuron is stimulated, it generates an electrical signal called an action potential, which travels rapidly down the axon. This electrical signal is caused by the movement of charged particles called ions across the neuron's membrane. When the action potential reaches the end of the axon, it triggers the release of chemical messengers called neurotransmitters into the synapse, a small gap between the axon of one neuron and the dendrite of another. These neurotransmitters diffuse across the synapse and bind to receptors on the dendrite of the receiving neuron, triggering a new action potential in that neuron. Section 8. The nervous system's impact on daily life. The nervous system plays a vital role in every aspect of our daily lives. It allows us to experience the world through our senses, move our bodies with precision, think critically and creatively, and form lasting memories. Our emotions, thoughts, and actions are all governed by this intricate network of cells. From the moment we wake up until we fall asleep, our nervous system is constantly at work. It controls our heartbeat and breathing, regulates our body temperature, and coordinates our movements as we go about our day. It allows us to learn new skills, solve problems, and interact with the world in meaningful ways. Section 9. Conclusion. The nervous system, a marvel of nature. The nervous system is a testament to the incredible complexity and elegance of the human body. This intricate network of cells allows us to perceive, think, feel, and act, making us who we are. Understanding how the nervous system works is essential for appreciating the wonders of human biology and for developing treatments for neurological disorders that can have a profound impact on our lives. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the nervous system, we gain a deeper understanding of what it means to be human. This knowledge empowers us to take better care of our health, appreciate the fragility of life, and marvel at the extraordinary capabilities of the human body.